To 8 p.m. last night, we had 1,284 cases of community transmission, and regrettably 12 people lost their lives. And we extend our condolences and sympathies to the loved ones of every person who has died in that time because they had COVID. I can confirm the New South Wales government has already started work and planning on our 80% plan and what happens at 80% double dose. And one of the things that obviously we expect to occur at 80% double dose is to consider our international borders. That is Aussies coming back home through Sydney Airport, but also our citizens having the opportunity to go overseas when previously they weren't able to. And I'm very pleased today to be joined by Minister Ayres, who ordinarily is the Minister for Major Events and Tourism and a whole range of other matters. But today he'll be pleasingly announcing a home quarantine trial that we'll be doing in New South Wales.
We're going to start at the end of this month a trial that changes the way we do quarantine. It gives us the chance to test 7-day quarantine in the home. We're going to conduct this trial with approximately 175 people. They'll be broken across 2 cohorts. We've been working with Qantas aircrew and staff for a number of months now. We're going to include some of those people in this trial to be able to conduct their quarantine at home. They're doing shorter turnaround times, but some of their existing crew are in 14-day quarantine, so they're a logical cohort to do this work with. We're also going to work with police and health to select from returning Australians to be able to go into this home-based quarantine trial. This will build on the evidence that's been collected through the South Australian trial as part of the national plan, where we utilise technology, particularly facial recognition and location-based services apps on your phone, to allow police and health to continue to check in on a person during their home-based quarantine. This is a really critical step to be able to build and operationalise a home-based quarantine system, so ultimately we can phase out for the majority of people hotel quarantine.